Welcome back to Learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to put text into an infinity symbol. I've got the snapping enabled and basically all of the functions checked here. We'll start there and we'll use rectangle, hold Ctrl when you drag it, then use the ellipse tool, hold Ctrl when you drag that as well. I'll make it red, and when I drag it onto the rectangle it should snap, and then I hold Shift and Ctrl and size it up until it snaps to the side. Select it all, click on it again, hold Ctrl when you rotate it. Select only the circle, go to Path, Object to Path, then use the Nodes tool, select the two top nodes and use this function up here to insert a new node. I left click on it and I drag it to the top, and I resize it by dragging these handles to the node. They should snap as well. Let me drag it right here and I rotate it once more holding Ctrl, then Ctrl D to copy it. Flip the copy and reposition it until it snaps to the original. Select it all, Path and Union. Get rid of the fill by clicking on X, then hold Ctrl and click on the black color swatch. Under Object, Fill and Stroke we can now adjust the stroke size. Under Width, I'll pick 100 millimeters in this case. Let me delete the rectangle. If you want to change the color, always hold Ctrl, otherwise you're going to adjust the fill and not the stroke color. But this is a good point to start. Now we need some text, so let me create it using the Type tool. And if you now hold Shift and click on the infinity symbol, you've got both selected. And if you use text, put on Path, it works somewhat, but it's certainly not what I want to have, so press Ctrl Z. So the only way that I see to create it in Inkscape is to use the Bezier tool and then follow this basic path of your infinity symbol. So just left click and drag to create curvatures. And I've got the snapping enabled with all of these functions, so it snaps to the center stroke path of the infinity symbol. Let me just keep it like this, you get the point. It's important that the text is on top, so select it and then use this function up here. So it needs to be in the hierarchy on top of the path. Make sure you've got the path selected. Then hold Shift, click on the text, and now go to text and put on path. And this is what we wanted to have. If you want to adjust it, you can select the text and use the Type tool. Use this function to make it smaller, for example. If you want to reposition the text, just go to the start and then use the spacebar. If you want to adjust the path itself, make sure it's selected. So I haven't selected it here. You can see I've got the infinity symbol selected. So you really want to have this path selected. Then use the Nodes tool, and if you hover over the line, your icon changes to this hand icon, and then you can adjust the curvature. Or you can just drag these nodes by left clicking on them and repositioning them. And you can also adjust it by using the handles. If you want to give your text a different color, you can simply do so down here. If you want to finish it, you certainly want to delete the line, but if you just select it and delete it, let me make sure I've got it selected. Now I've got it. I zoom out, and now if I delete it, you can see that the text jumps back into this horizontal form. So make sure that you select the text first, then go to Path and Object to Path. And now select the line and delete it. and your text should stay in position. And this is how you can put text in an infinity symbol in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.